Alaikum, dear students. Hope you are keeping well, staying at home. Last week I discussed regarding English second paper some items, but today I am going to talk about English first paper, that is EFT, English for today. Today's class is especially for the students of class 8. Dear students, you know that you have 4 parts in English exam: part A, part B, part C and part D. Basically part A is fully related to your EFT, because here there are 3 questions. Question 1 MCQ, question 2 free questions or open-ended question, and then there is a gap filling activity. The first 2 questions are set from a passage or a lesson taken from your EFT. So today I am going to practice MCQ and answering question from a passage. Today I have chosen your unit 7 lesson 3, page number 82 and 83. Let's, my students, discuss about this lesson first. So please take your book and open page 82. The title of this unit is Different People, Different Occupations, and our today's lesson is title of the lesson is River Gypsies in Bangladesh. Dear students, the title of the unit is Different People, Different Occupations. সোজা কথায় ভিন্ন মানুষ ভিন্ন পেশা। আমাদের আজকের টপিক যেটা সেটি হলো রিভার জিপসিজ ইন বাংলাদেশ। সোজা কথায় বললে বাংলাদেশের নায়ে বেদে বা যে সমস্ত মানুষ নৌকায় জীবনযাপন করে, যাদেরকে আমরা নায়ে বেদে বলে থাকি। সো লেটস স্টার্ট রিডিং অফ দ্য প্যাসেজ। আই এম রিডিং আউট, প্লিজ look at the lesson very carefully, listen to me what I read out and how. River Gypsies are an ethnic group of people in Bangladesh. They are known as Bede to local people. The Gypsies have their own lifestyle and culture. They live in groups and do not own any land. Therefore, they live in a nomadic life, traveling from one place to another. These people roam across our rivers and waters from May to December in small country boats. These boats are their houses, and these people are a part of our waters. In winter, many water bodies dry up. At that time, they return to the mainland and live in makeshift tarpaulin tents on open river banks. You can see there men relaxing in their tents, toddlers play with ducks or other pets in the dust. Women often idle their time by doing picking of lice and 2 or 3 sitting in a row. Throughout the monsoon, they remain busy with fishing. They also dip. for natural paths in waters. Sometimes they camp for a couple of weeks. Men catch snakes and entertain people with snake charming and sell herbal cures. Women go from door to door to sell bangles, cosmetics, and other things. They also try to heal pains of old people, often by sucking out blood from their body. Many villagers believe in the magical power of the gypsies. They can make an evil spirit leave someone's body by magic or special powers. So I have already read out the passage and hope you have already realized that this passage is about a kind of people or racial group known as Bede to the local people and their lifestyle, life activity, what they do, how they earn their living, and so many things. Now, what we need or why we read this passage? Actually, we have read out this passage for answering two types of questions. One, MCQ, and two, answering question. So, we can do these two things at a time if we try to realize the meaning of the passage and some important words that are available in the text, and then if we look at how many sentences in this passage and if we know how to make sentences regarding each of the sentence, then this passage is obviously be clear to all of you. Now, I am trying to choose first some words and describe so that you can easily understand what are the meaning of these words. Dear students, here there are some words I have written on the board, selecting from this text, and now I am describing the synonymous words or synonyms to make you understand the meaning. These will help you to realize the passage as well as to answer MCQ questions. The first one is gypsy. Actually, the synonymous word is vagabond. Gypsy means the people who have no permanent land, live from one place to another, moving. Then ethnic, a kind of racial people, আমরা বলি nirigosthi. Lifestyle, the style that is used to lead life, that is the style of living. Then culture, tradition. There are so many nations in the world. Every nation has their own tradition. Then roam means move. The people who live roaming or moving from one place to another. The mainland, that is the plain land. Actually, plain land is not the water bodies. It is the land where normally people live, making building or houses. Tarpaulin, a kind of plastic tripod, polythene that people use in different ways, but some people use it to protect themselves from rain. Then relaxing, easy life without any anxious. Toddlers, the children belongs to the Bede people, that is babies. Picking, find out or taking out. Monsoon, You know, there are some seasons in Bangladesh. Monsoon, there is the rainy season. It combines 2 months also. Then bangles, a kind of ornaments that normally the girls or women use as ornaments in their hands, a circle ornaments made as normally with glasses. Then sucking, taking out something by mouth. The people normally suck, that means to take out something or some blood from a person's body by sucking their mouth. And then heal means to remove, relieve, reduce pain. Then spirit, that is power. Normally people have believed that the people have their especially spiritual wish, they can remove or heal. People remove evil spirit. Especially village people have their belief that ভূত পেত বলতে কিছু বোঝায়, এটা মানুষের সঙ্গে থাকে, বেদেরা দূর করতে পারে। ক্লিয়ার? And then magical, related to magic, that is magic a kind of power. জাদু বিদ্যা বলতে পারি, যা দিয়ে তারা এগুলো দূর করে, বলে তারা। Actually magical power is nothing but a kind of tactic. So these are the words available in your text. There are also so many words, but if you know the meaning of these words, the passage will be very clear to you. So I have already talked about mainly some words which are difficult to you. Now I am going to talk about another question, open-ended question, answering question, how to answer question. You can do 2 things. First, you have to know how can make sense question, and then how to answer. If you can make question, answer is available in your text. For example, I'm reading about the first sentence. River gypsies are an ethnic group of people in Bangladesh. About this sentence we can make 2 questions. Who are the ethnic group of people in Bangladesh, and who are the river gypsies in Bangladesh? The answer may be river gypsies are an ethnic group of people in Bangladesh. Again, river gypsies are an ethnic group of people in Bangladesh. Both the sentences are appropriate for both the questions. So you can make in these many questions. Then the next sentence, they are known as Bedetu local people. What the local people call them, or how they are known to the local people. Then the gypsies have their own lifestyle and culture. What do the Bede people have or possess? Then, therefore, they live a nomadic life. What type of life do they lead, or what type of life do they possess? Then, these people roam across rivers and waters from May to December in small country boats. So many questions we can make by using this sentence. First one is, how many months these people roam across in their river boats? Or pause them. In this way, we can make so many questions like, when do some water bodies dry up? When do they return to their mainland? What type of houses do they live in? With whom the toddlers play with? How do men and women pass their time? When do they remain busy? What do the women do who believe their magical power, and how can they leave evil spirit? In this way, we can make so many other questions also. But you have to know the answer of this. You have to know writing answer of these questions from taking information from the passage. So if you read out the passage so many times and to realize the meaning, then you can answer. I am describing very shortly the answer of this question for you so that you can clear your concept. For example, the one, when do some water bodies dry up? কিছু নদী বা নাব্যতা কখন শুকায় যায়? During winter, some water bodies dry up. When do they return to their mainland? During winter, they return to their mainland. What type of houses do they live in? They live in a kind of house made by tarpaulin. With whom the toddlers play with? The toddlers play with their pet dogs and other animals. How do men and women pass their time? Men pass their time by relaxing, and women pass their time by picking lices, sitting 2 or 3 in rows. When do they remain busy? During the rainy season, they remain busy for catching fishes and doing some other things also. What do the women do? The women sell bangles, cosmetics, and many other things. Who believe their magical power? The village people, or a kind of people who live in rural areas, believe that the Vede have their special magical power through which they can heal pain from the body as well as drives evil power from their body. And finally, how can they leave evil spirit? I have already told, they can leave evil spirit by using their special magical power. Actually, they have no magical power. It's a bogus thing. Anyway, this way you can answer all the questions or many questions. One thing I want to add finally is that you have to answer only 4 questions, where each question carries 2 marks. So this question total contains 8 marks. If your answer is full correct, you will get full marks, 8 out of 8. So I think you should try to improve yourself by practicing again and again and writing the answer of this type of questions. Hope you have enjoyed the lesson very well. In the next time, I will also take some other classes regarding English first paper, that is EFT, who is included in your English part A. Up to that, stay safe, stay home, be happy. Thank you very much.